So for this one, we've got exercise 3-2. Let's see what we got here. We've got a source. We've got a resistor. We've got a resistor. We've got a dependent source. That's a positive and negative. And then this one, we're going to go down, bring it out. And for values for this one, we've got 9, 20, 10, 40, VA divided by 2. All right, that looks pretty good to me. Let's start with our 6-step plan. Ref node, right from here. Cool, done. 2, label node voltages. Label node V's. So what do we got here? We're going to have 1, because remember we have a power supply nearby, so that's going to be V1. We've got this one, V2. I think that should be fine. And that's it. Cool, that one was easy. So 3, what do we got? Draw currents out of nodes. Draw eyes out. Okay, so we're going to draw our eyes out of the nodes. This is I1. We're going to call this one going down I2, and this one out I3. Okay, that one's done. 4, solve easy nodes. Solve easy nodes. Do we have any easy nodes? Yes, we do. V1. V1 equals 9. Nice and easy. Cool. Any other easies? No. So we're going to go 5. KCL at other nodes. So we've only got one other node on this one. So let's start. KCL at V2. That's what we're going to call it. And I'm going to try to push this up and not forget to not show you the next bottom part of it. So what do we got here? We've got V2 minus V1, V2 minus V1 divided by 20. Cool. Plus for our I2. Ooh, this one looks fun. We've got, what do we have for this one? We have our V2, which is our starting point. V2 minus, this is a voltage source. So what are we going to do here? We're going to do VA over 2 divided by 10. Because that's the resistance. This is a voltage source. If it's 2, we put 2 in here. It doesn't matter if it's 2 or VA divided by 2. So we didn't even put actually where we put VA. What is VA? VA is the voltage drop over that resistor. So last bit, we've got our V2 to 0. So this is our I3. Our I3 is going to go V2 divided by 40. There's nothing else in there, and that's going to be equal to 0. So if we multiply this by 40, what are we going to get? 40 for this equals 2, so it's going to be 2V2 minus 2V1 plus, this is going to be 4V2 minus, what do we got here? 4VA over 2, 4VA over 2 plus V2 equals 0. Let's collect terms. We got 7 V2 minus 2V1 equals 4VA over 2. Let's just hold that and store it. Okay, we're going to store that equation. Now what do we got? Actually, no, we missed something else. This we already have up here, and this is 2. So let's do 7V2 minus 18 equals 2VA. That's a little neater even. That's a little neater. Okay, so now we have to solve what is VA. So let's look back up at the top. VA equals the voltage drop from here to here. Remember, by definition, the voltage drop over the resistor is the voltage drop at the 2 nodes. So this one's going to be really easy. We've got VA equals minus V2 plus 9, right? Because we're going to go from 9 minus V2. That's going to be VA. Nice and easy there. We got our other equation. So this is going to get substituted in there. And that's going to give us 7V2 minus 18 equals V2 minus 9. And what is that going to be? We're going to get V2 minus 9. 7V2 minus 18 equals 2V2 plus 9. 2V2 plus 18, right? And so then we're going to substitute in again, and that's going to be 7V2 minus 2V1 equals 2VA, which is, again, that'll solve through that way. Good, 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 good. So now we're going to take our outcoming equations. So what do we have for our two equations? We're going to have VA, VB, and number. And that's going to equal this one here. So we're going to get from our equations, let's look back one more time, make sure we haven't missed anything. No, we should be good. Okay, so from here we've got VA equals, if we pull that over, minus 2. We've got 7 as our V2. And we've got 18 as our output. All right, that looks good. And then what is our only other input that we need? We have our equation for VA, which is going to be this one right here. And that's going to give us a VA equals 1 in that one. If we pull this over, V2, it's going to equal V2, excuse me, it's going to equal 1, and this is going to equal 9. A to the minus 1 times B equals, what is this, 4 and 5 equals V2, and that's going to equal VA. So 5 volts equals VA. Oh, I messed that up again. My bad, guys. You can go through and solve. If you have questions, ask me, and I'll go through it again with you.